Alright, toodles.
Love you.
Love you too. Good music to start the day.
Be a parking lot.
Yeah. Really? Another half an hour?
Yeah, another half, but yeah, pretty much. I know when I go back on that block where your hotel was at 9:30,
Yeah.
it'll be this place will be jammed. Forget about it.
Right.
I figure when I leave, when I drop you off, I'll probably just come right back into the city, just to be close.
Right.
Not have to go too far down the block.
Right. Virgin America. He's virgin. He's virgin. We're off to San Francisco today, my friends. I'm there all weekend long for Maker Faire. It's actually going to be a really cool event. Like, I started looking into it, and I'm really excited to be there. I'm really excited to go to San Francisco. I've been to the airport probably like 10 times there, like in between flights. Not that city itself, ever. So I'm super, super excited for this. Got about a 6-hour flight, I guess. At least I'm actually riding first this time. So it should be kind of comfortable. We'll see. I'll do a little review. Touchdown in San Francisco. Still something up with my camera. I put it back into, I guess, video mode in this, and it's a little dark now. We'll get it figured out. We'll get it figured out, so I apologize for any discoloration or anything like that. It's gonna be a little bit of a cluster day today. We have to go to the hotel quickly now, shower, change, and then we're gonna head to Maker Faire, and I'll tell you guys all about it, but I gotta kind of rush right now. All right, got into my room. Cool little view of the bay here. If we can focus. Hold on, I have a solution. Solution solved. Put it on auto, but the video just isn't as good. But anyways, I've never been to San Fran. Hopefully I'll have some time to go into the city, main city, check out some stuff, but obviously not guaranteed. I gotta shower, I need to freshen up, and get out of here in half an hour. So let's do it. I'll see you guys in like 30. Some apricot seeds, just part of my daily protocol. If you've never seen apricot seeds, they look like this. They're like mini almonds. They're quite bitter. Hey, how are you?
Saratoga?
Yep. So we're at Maker Faire, just got here, walking around the grounds. I'm gonna be here most of the weekend with Jack Links and their Hangry Hacks. It's gonna be a really good time. There's some stuff that I'm gonna be showing you guys later on that's just gonna blow your mind. But this is like an adult science fair. It's pretty much what it is, an adult science fair, because there's so much really cool stuff that my like my nerdness is coming out right now, and I feel like I just want to see everything and like touch everything and play with everything. This place is so cool. Just check it out. Look at this. Look at this. How cool is this? That's so awesome. Dude, I'm so blown away by everything here. It's just insane what people can come up with. Wow.
And tomorrow on Sunday. You want to go look at something else?
All made out of tape. Right here, we have something called drone racing. We're about to check it out. There's an entire obstacle here for the drones, and there's gonna be races that happen. I think this is gonna be super cool. Yo, that guy's dominating.
But it's okay. Oh, he's dragging battery though. You got a chair. You got a dragging battery there. When you came out of the power track, I got
you. Go. Need a fist bump. Can I get a fist bump? Oh yeah. Thanks, buddy.
Well, if you move your hands, they do stuff. Wow. Like she's a conductor.
Just conducting them. That's so awesome. That's so
I'm taking him home. Isn't he cool? He's like a companion. Yeah, he's so
good boy, good boy. I'm gonna tickle you. I'm gonna tickle you. So cool.
Yeah, it was at the White House with President Obama.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
That's our version of waving.
No.
You never saw the movie
A wonderful spirit is within.
I need to get one of these barbecues for my house. Look at that. How cool is that? That out. Huge. Massive. Who can say no to free ice cream? Caramel cone or chocolate?
It's $10. Ice cream is free.
Oh.
Just kidding.
Okay.
I'm gonna have to go with chocolate. Aha. See what I did there? I stole two.
Buy more stuff.
We're lifting. You like my videos?
Yeah.
Well, back in my room. It was a good day. Apple. I like my apples. They're tasty. That was a really cool show, wasn't it? I learned some tips and tricks. I'm feeling like I could create some cool videos using those tips and tricks. But it's been a long day so far. 3-hour time difference where I am. I'm pretty pooped. I feel like I just want to chill for a bit, and then I really want to hit the gym today. And tomorrow morning, I just want to get back into the swing of things. New York City, we didn't do enough. We went to the gym once, I think, in 4 days. All right, guys. So the weirdest thing just happened. I woke up and I had like a knock on my door, and it was room service. And I'm like, hello? And somebody with, I guess, a very thick accent, couldn't really understand him, was like, I have this bag of ice for you. No joke. And these chocolates. 2 chocolates. And he's like, it's free. It's yours. What the fuck is going on? Is this normal? Have you ever, like, has anyone ever had somebody knock on their door in a hotel room? Like, I got put, like, by the Jack Links put me into more of the executive rooms. So it's like, you need, like, a room key to get up to this floor. And I got a bag of ice, literally just a bag of ice and 2 chocolates. I'm so confused right now. Little workout complete, mostly cardio. That actually felt really good mentally. And just walking outside my hotel, because all of these hotels, especially by the airport, are on the bay here. I've never been to San Francisco, and tomorrow or Sunday, regardless of what time it is, I'm going to take a cab into the city just to see what it's all about, because this city's apparently just gorgeous and gorgeous. And you can see like Alcatraz and things like that, so I think that'll be totally worth checking out, regardless, even if I just go for like an hour or something. Never been to this place, so might as well, right? Nice little view here. All right, I am going to end this vlog. I'm not having the easiest of times lately. As you guys know, I'm very open on these vlogs, and sometimes, you know, with my life, it just becomes very transparent that things aren't easy. You know, with my behavior, and maybe, you know, maybe I don't focus on content, I focus sometimes on promoting things. And it's not that I'm not trying to become a sellout or promote stuff. Sometimes I get so preoccupied and focused on one thing, and because there's something negative happening. It's not negative, not, at least I hope not. To put it short, I have my 6-month follow-up on Wednesday, and I'm nervous. Who the fuck wouldn't be, right? I'm very optimistic. I have to be, I am, but I'm nervous. I'm very, very nervous. And so my mind isn't in the right place, and sometimes maybe I won't provide the best of content, and I'll be focusing my efforts on distracting myself from everything else that is going on. So apologize if my behavior has been not Furious-like, not Pete-like. So hope you guys understand, Team Furious. I love you guys. Hopefully I'll show you guys some cool footage from San Francisco here. I'm gonna call it a night. You guys stay sexy, stay hungry, and get gains, and get laid. Yes, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Smash the like button if you guys did. Make sure you check out last week's video. The link will be right here. Check out my last vlog, link right there. Check out my gaming channel right there. And check out all my links in the description below. Thanks again for tuning in. Catch you guys next week.